Hey, hey, hey! Good morning. How's everybody doing? It's cold. It's not as windy as it was the past couple of days, but the wind is blowing. I gotta head to a drop box, UPS. I bought some Costco glasses, right? And these glasses, they're good. They're just not the same. They don't feel the same in the lens, the prescription. And it was a mail order, so we're returning them back the way they came. When we get a chance in the store, we'll pick up a pair. And I forgot to do that the last time while we ordered it. My Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. It's screaming for attention. I gotta do the rear and front differential change. Get some fluids in it and some gear fluid, gear lube. I called it fluid. My last video, I picked out the Japanese snowball, hydrangea. I can't remember the Latin word. It had roots. I should have left it. And it was growing. Good thing it's growing. So I brought it in the house because I don't think it's going to survive. But it took a long time to root up. I am waiting for my solar panel batteries to come. SLA and sealed lead acid batteries. I got two of them, 22 amp hour, right? And these 22 amp hours will give me 44. That'll give me a day's worth of power. I think that's all I need. And if they work out, I'm gonna order some more later on down the road. Take a look. The house is finally being worked on. Awesome. I also ordered 12 AWG wire, and it's aluminum copper grade. And it's not the silicone soft type for the light bulb battery things that I was going to order. These are for the amps in the cars and whatnot. A little stronger, but I tell you, they don't feel like 12-aught gauge cable at all, and not what I expected. I could have ordered like 8 gauge, and that would have been what I really wanted from that company. I'll finish up the solar charger and controller and the switches when my other cables I thought was coming Tuesday today, and they're coming Thursday in a couple of days. No rush. I can still start to prepare. Not a problem at all. I gotta pop a hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 holes. And I gotta go between the basement to the first and the first to the second. And I gotta run armored cable, BX cable. I also gotta do the same thing with the ceiling, recessed lighting. Yeah, just loads of fun when you got all this work and projects to do. I got many more other projects that I'm going to talk about. Well, put my GoPro to the side, and this is the Osmo with the Rode Wireless Go. Don't have to yell, but you don't have to hear this awful sound of a camera. I reset my laptop again, reloaded everything up because of notifications with YouTube, Google, Windows 10. Did YouTube, did Google, did Windows 10 do something to offline notifications that, hey, look, I got Big O, he made a video, he made a comment. I got my gig user, he made a video, he made a comment. I guess I was in his way and in this person's way. He just gave me a little warning so they could go by. Not a biggie. Not a biggie. We got to be safe no matter what we do, right? On with the review. I got no reviews. Nobody sent me anything to reviews. Not my problem. They got all the time in the world and they want business. Send me something to review. Well, I am interested so much, GoPro, about your Hero 9. The static, popping, crackling sound, the blue hue, the interpolated software enhancement of a 5K camera. GoPro is still on the old-fashioned 4:3 aspect ratio photo. I'm gonna use what I got until it all fails. GoPro, I'm no pro, but I'm not ashamed of saying, hey, I'm Fish. Hope you enjoy my videos and have a great time watching them. I'll see you all later on many other videos to come. Oh man, I'm sorry I didn't practice my role, but never too late. Didn't forget. Always be prepared and have one ready. You never ever know. On that note, I'll see you all on other videos. I am out of here and I'll catch you on many more to come. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great day.